Let's answer this quick question. Do you have to have followers to do affiliate marketing? You could put up a YouTube video, rank it, people could watch it, and you could make money. So the simple answer is no. You do not need to have followers to make money with affiliate marketing. But that's where, my mindset kind of changes, where the true power behind affiliate marketing really does come when you actually stick with it long enough to start getting followers, to start getting subscribers. Because the next time a good product comes out, guess who you're going to be able to go out and tell them about that good product? It's going to be your followers. So yes, you technically don't have to have followers. You could go and do like Reddit marketing. You could do Twitter marketing. You could go on Quora and answer questions. And you don't really have to have followers to make an impact. But that is taking the long way around. If you were to ask me after I've made over $600,000 doing this, it's more powerful to build a YouTube channel, build an audience over time, and then eventually create a video that has long-lasting impact and can make you a lot of money. I'm going to show you that proof in this video. I'm going to show why having followers is the right way to do affiliate marketing. In the very beginning, you're not going to have any followers. Don't let that stop you from doing affiliate marketing. Go out there and create content, become a content creator, right? Stop consuming content, go and find a high quality product and start creating content about that. Eventually, you're going to start getting followers. This is really a question for extreme new, very beginners, people that have not even started their affiliate marketing journey. Very quickly, you're going to start gaining followers because of the content that you're creating. And I want to show you how that's all done inside the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. There's a link below if you want to come and learn the ins and outs on how I use simple YouTube videos, simple YouTube channels, and turn them into profit. Completely different than everybody else is teaching you. Everybody else is teaching you do faceless YouTube channels, go and hire people on Fiverr, create videos about basketball and football and celebrity gossip, and go and chase millions of views in order to make some pennies on the dollar when it comes to Google AdSense. I've had about 2 million views on my channels, and I made $600,000. When you reverse engineer that and you come up with the CPM on that, it's like $280 or $283 per 1,000 views. I would much rather get paid almost $300 for every 1,000 views, whereas the typical CPM that people get is literally like $5, $3, $5, $10 is a really good CPM, right? So we're going to go and take a look. I'm going to go in here. I posted this to the community this morning. Let's go take a look at it. So it says right here, $3,700 from 2 videos, 2 emails in just 4 days. Now we can go and reverse engineer this right here. Okay. So I made $3,700 from 2 videos and only 2 emails, right? In 4 days. How did I do that? This is a low ticket offer. So I promoted this product called Ohanashi, and it's from a Warrior Plus vendor named Ike Paz. It has to do with publishing books on Amazon KDP and making money. You can actually build an entire business if you do it right. It's about consistency. If you're willing to stick with it, learn from your mistakes, and continue to maximize and duplicate what works, eventually when you look back in 6 months to a year, you're going to have a substantial income each month. So it's a great business model. My job as the affiliate, right? That's how I make money as an affiliate marketer. I'm going to go out and tell as many people as I can about this unique, amazing software. There's scarcity built in because the pricing changes in 4 days. So if it's something that people are interested in, they need to buy it during the launch or the price goes up, and it really does go up. So it's not fake scarcity or anything like that. And so this is the product over here. And here were my stats. I was number 3 on the leaderboard for the launch. So I got paid an additional $150 for being one of the top affiliates of the product. There were some very powerful affiliates that I went up against, and I was able to get 3rd place and win some prize money. It makes it fun. As an affiliate, that's one of the things that I get dopamine hits and rush from. I really enjoy being on leaderboards and having that friendly competition of like, can I get on the leaderboard? Can I stay on the leaderboard for the entire remainder of the launch? And where will I end up on the leaderboard? So it just adds a gamification as an affiliate, which is just fun for me. I had 268 clicks. None of these these clicks were paid. I did not do any paid promotion. I don't really do that. That's not what I teach. That's not what's worked for me in the past. I've tried paid promotions and it just doesn't work. Even if you break even, you make sales, but you don't make money in your pocket because you got to pay for the ads that you ran. It's way better to actually build a following. And that's the whole point of this video. You want to create videos, create value, and they can be super simple tutorial videos. Go watch all my other videos. If you're new to the channel, go watch my last few videos and you'll see that I give proof in almost every single video that I made all this money with a faceless YouTube channel where I just record my screen and I give value. I show things, I show software off to people and so forth. You don't, it's about the value that you bring to tutorials and reviews, selling software, selling products and stuff like that. So literally a measly 268 clicks resulted in 89 sales, a 33% conversion rate, and I made $41 per sale. My total commissions was $3,700 during this time, and I've already made sales since posting this, so we're at about $4,000 when you average in a couple more sales that I've made, plus the 150 right there. So you're talking about $4,000 from just 2 videos and 2 emails in a 4-day period. Pretty dang cool, right? So it's basically $1,000 a day. And then how did I do this? Well, I ranked number 1 and number 2 on Google, and I ranked number 1 on YouTube. This was tested in incognito window, and this helped. Keep in mind right here, a very important thing. You want to rank your video. You're going to get more views, most likely get more sales, get more subscribers on your videos. It's a really good thing. Obviously, you want to rank your video for a keyword you're going after, which is a tutorial or review type of keyword. But there's a lot of competition during these launches and only one person can rank number 1. And there's going to be 20, 30, 50 people you're going up against. I don't always rank and I still end up on the leaderboard even when I don't rank. Ranking helps, but it's the audience of your YouTube channel that really matters. I've seen people rank number 1 with minimal or no sales. You can see every single affiliate that makes a sale on a product launch. And I see it all the time where there's people ranked number 1. I don't know how they got their video up there and I don't know who they are, but they're not on the leaderboard. They're not making sales. So it's not really about can you rank a video? It's what's inside that video. Do you have subscribers and followers on your YouTube channel? Do you have people that follow you, that know, like, and trust you, that when you show the software off, that you genuinely want to help people and you're not blowing smoke and just trying to chase after sales. You're actually trying to give value. People can see through the bull crap, right? They can see if it took you 4 minutes to put the video together, you used AI, you posted it, they usually just click right off anyways. When there's a human voice behind the YouTube video, and if you can get, be on the lower right-hand corner and a little webcam, I promise you, it doesn't matter. And I've made probably over 2,000 to 3,000 videos on YouTube across all my YouTube channels. No one's ever told me that I'm ugly or that I shouldn't be on camera. Not one person. I have had haters that haven't liked my content or haven't liked my review, haven't liked the rating that I gave a product, and that happens totally fine. But no one's came after me on what I look like and made fun of me or anything like that. So I can assure you you should not be scared to get on camera or to use your voice to create a channel. I have plenty of students inside the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program that are making money, they're making commissions, and they're nobody special either. Just like me, I'm not that special. We're out there taking action and we're making money every single day, every single month. That is the power behind this. So I've seen people rank, they don't make any sales. It's really about your email list and your subscribers on your YouTube channel. This is why I'm so big on YouTube. This is why I teach YouTube, because it's so powerful. When you get people to push that subscribe button, they found your free content, watched it, and felt the need to push the subscribe button. In most of my videos, I never ask someone to subscribe. They're doing that on their own accord. You better believe that they want to see more content from you when people are naturally subscribing to you. So then when you come out with your video, every single time, it's just going to snowball. Every time you put out a video, it's going to snowball. More people are going to get notified that you created a video. And then what I can do is I can show you some of the screenshots right here. So we've got almost $6,000 in the last 30 days. In the last 7 days right here, almost $4,000 in affiliate commission. You can see day by day. Most of this is from that launch. $3,700, $4,000. It's most of it is from that one product. I have another evergreen product, ebook writing software, AI software that I'm still make money from. A couple $100 of that might have came from that, but all the rest of it came from this new promotion. You can see right here, AI Gen. Here are those exact stats. You can see the 100% transparency, 268 hops, and then if you can look in here in the back, 268 clicks. Hops and clicks are the same thing, right? 89 sales. I'm not lying to them. I am teaching them, and hopefully you will be the next student inside of my school community. I am teaching you exactly what I'm doing. I don't hold anything back. And instead of charging $1,000 a month for a mentorship and coaching from me, it's literally the cost of eating out one time or getting pizza for your family one time. If you really want to take it serious and build a real business that can pay you day after day, even when you take the day off. And for me, the most important thing, and I'm speaking directly to you, if you can't stand getting in your car and driving in bumper to bumper traffic, commuting to work, 30 minutes, 45 minutes to work, having to be there early or having to be there every single day and show up when somebody else told you, it's usually your boss, when you have to start the day, and you just want flexibility and freedom in your life. That was the number one motivation that I was able to take massive action about 5 years ago. And I said, I am done. I don't want a day job. I've got a bachelor's degree. I'm a director at my job. I get paid really well. I've managed teams. But there's a whole other side of that, like what everyone considers successful. And it was just nothing but stress. I didn't like it one bit. I always had an entrepreneurial spirit, and I finally took action and I made it happen for myself. And that's what I try to teach my students inside of the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. Okay. So you can see over here, there's that $3,700 right there that we made. And you can see the dates right here, last 7 days. It was a 4-day launch, and that's where all that money came from. Let's go look at some more stuff. So making multiple videos for a launch works. YouTube is video one right here. You can see these tags. And that's what I love about Warrior Plus marketing, is that you're able to easily just add a / and then whatever you want after that. You can put unique trackers on every link you create so that when the sales come in, you know exactly what link they clicked on to buy the product from you. You start seeing a pattern, like, is it email? Is it YouTube? And look right here, YouTube. They watched my YouTube video, clicked on a link on YouTube. The ones that say YT is just the first video. And then I did a follow-up video. I waited for the weekend. The first video was on a Friday. The second video was on a Monday, and it was the final day of the launch. And you can see, look at all these YT2, 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 all those lit up because that extra little effort. I put out one more video, and it probably made me another $1,000 from putting out another video, right? So this proves that YouTube was the link that they clicked in order to buy from me. And I actually did have one link in my second email. I only sent 2 emails. My strategy is usually sending people from my email subscriber list to my videos because I know that video sells more. Video shows them what they're getting, and then they can click on the link. It's a cold marketing strategy. And that's why I'm able to top leaderboards, because most affiliate marketers that have giant email lists, they probably have 10,000 email subscribers or more. I can sell them more most of the time. I get people to watch my video, which is very powerful and has a high conversion rate, whereas they might email their list of 10,000 people and make the same sales or less because they're not putting in the video product review effort. They're just sending people to the, which is cool to have that large of a list and still make that money by simply sending an email. That's cool as well. But I take the YouTube approach. If I had that many email subscribers and combined it with YouTube, who knows what I would be able to do, right? So there's the proof right there. Here's the proof that I was on the leaderboard. And you can see the top 3 people, we were really just completely separated from the pack. No one could really touch us. I had twice as many sales as 4th place. I was really coming on strong. And I believe that this kept going a couple more days, I think I would have caught number 2. I don't think I would have been able to catch number 1. The last few days, we were just, every time I would make like a lot of sales, I would go and check the leaderboard, and then everybody else kind of moved up too. So everyone was really, this is a huge product right here. I believe they closed actually $80,000 or something like that. This is either not updated or it doesn't always update 100%. But that is the proof of the leaderboard. And then here's the proof of ranking number 1, ranking number 2 on Google right here in an incognito window. That helps get views a lot. And then on YouTube in an incognito window, this is a sponsored video, so that doesn't count. And then here's my video ranked number 1. That helped out a lot as well. This is the strategy. It just straight up works. Made some money right over here. And to close this video out, it's because I do have followers. And I'm going to be completely honest with you, right? That's probably not what you want to hear. What you want to hear is that you can push a button with no followers or subscribers and no audience whatsoever, and that you can make this kind of money, and it just doesn't work. And I believe that 99% or even 100% of people that make money online to this level right here, over 6 figures per year as an affiliate, multiple years in a row, what I believe is that they would all come back and say, you've got to have an email list. You've got to have YouTube subscribers, a website getting traffic. You've got to have some type of audience, traction, and followers in order to make this kind of impact, end up on a leaderboard and so forth, and making sales in this short amount of time. If you took a different approach and you went and you had no followers and you're new and you're like, hey, I want to try to make a bunch of money on this Ohanashi launch, and then you tried to get on Quora, Reddit, Facebook groups, Pinterest, and build Medium, Calm, blogs, and rank those, you could spend an entire day setting all that up, and then you're lucky if you make 1 or 2 sales because nobody knows you. It's completely cold traffic. That's why it's so important to build an audience on YouTube, right? And that's what I teach in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. Look at this, Gary, $703 in Warrior Plus commissions in the month of September. You do not have to do Warrior Plus. I do Warrior Plus. Go watch my other videos. I show you how you can pick a niche, pick a product, and build an entire YouTube channel around whatever you want, and then join a nice affiliate program, and you can make money that way as well. I've done it on several different YouTube channels. We have other people in here as well that aren't doing Warrior Plus stuff, and they're making money every single month as well. It doesn't have to be Warrior Plus, but that is the make money online niche, right? I've been in that space for about 5 to 10 years. I'd love for you to be our next student. Come and take a look at YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. You can get in for just $27 a month right now. I also have a free guide on how to make your first $1,000 per month. The link will be below. Sign up for that as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.